Very good morning, students. I hope that you all are good at your homes. So let's start our English class. Open review 2, page number 65. Exercise C. So yesterday we had completed exercise A and B of review 2, and this is exercise C. As you can see on your screen, answers are written here. Give me a pencil, a pen. Give me an ice cream, please. The Ganges is a holy river. Have you seen the Taj Mahal? Mr. Das is an honest man. Can you name a water animal? It is raining. Take an umbrella with you. I have read the Mahabharata. She left an hour ago. Do you have an answer to this question? These are the answers. Now move to the.
Ma'am, my work is completed.
Very good. Now move to the next exercise D. Here we have to add suitable pronoun. Here we have to write correct pronoun. So Vivan is my best friend. Dash studies in class 5. He studies in class 5. The book is mine. It is a gift of Tanya. Amit. Jaya and Amit. Jay and Amit are friends. What is the answer here? Raise your hand. Atit. On your mic. Yes. After giving answer, off your mic. Okay. They. Please fill the bottle. Dash is empty. It is empty. Mrs. Basu is a teacher. She teaches in our school. Tina and Meena went to the fair. They bought many books. Sunita is unwell. She has fever. Sonia and I went to see the performance. We enjoyed it very much. We found the cat in the park. I think it lost its way. The dog barked as it was hungry, as it was angry. Okay, now I hope you all have done this. Move to the next exercise. Underline the verbs in the following sentences. We go to school every day. Here we have to underline the verb. I hope you all know that what are verbs. Verbs are action words. Understand? Whatever action we do, whatever the action we used to do, that is called. Let me tell you what is verb first of all, then give the answer. Okay. Whatever the action we used to do, that is called verb. Understand? Verb, the definition of verb is the word which says something or do something is called verb. Understand? So whenever any words tell us something about something, then that word is also called verb. So here we can see that we have to find out the action words. That which word shows the action. So we go to school every day. Which is the verb here? Go.
Go.
We fly kites with our friends. Fly.
Fly.
Just raise your hand. Raise your hand like this. Just raise your hand. The children play in the park. Yes, Ghulam Ansari.
Ma'am, play.
Yes.
Play. Ma'am, play.
Father drives the car. Just raise your hand. Raise your hand.
Drive. Ma'am, drive.
Just raise your hand. Do not say the answer. Understand? Just raise your hand like this. Mother cooks delicious food for me. Rishika?
Ma'am, cooks.
Rishika?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, cooks.
Yes. Fill in the blanks with is, am, are, or was were. Anu dash my new neighbor. What is the answer? Raise your hand.
Ma'am. Ma'am, is.
Sarthak, what is the answer?
Ma'am, is.
Yes, Bhanu is. Yesterday, I was unwell.
Ma'am.
I am a student of class 3. So rest of the questions you all have to do. Two questions that you all have to do by yourself. Fill in the blanks with has, have, and had. The spider has or have?
Ma'am, has. Ma'am, has.
Yes. They has or have?
Has.
They have.
Ma'am, has.
I have or I has?
I have.
Yes. When we went to Disneyland, we have lot of fun.
Have.
Here have. So here you have to write the short form of the word given here. Understand this? The word which are written, you have to write the short form of these words. I am going to meet today. So here the short form of I am, you have to write I apostrophe comma, as I told you that day, am going to meet them today. Understand? Write the short form of do not. The short form of do not is don't talk in class. Don't talk in class. The short form of do not is don't. She is at home now. So short form of she is she apostrophe comma s. She is at home now. I hope that you all can do the rest of the exercise completed by yourself. Can you complete all the exercise?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So now move to the next exercise. Actually, next chapter. Here you can see chapter 20, adverb. The baby is crying loudly. The baby is crying loudly. They are talking softly. The car is running fast. The words loudly, softly, fast tell us more about the verbs is crying, are talking, and is running. Okay, these words are telling something more about the verbs. Like how the baby is crying, how are they talking softly, how car is running fast. The words loudly, softly, and fast are called adverbs. These adverbs tells us about how an action is done. How adverbs they are. Understand? How adverbs. So here we have to underline how adverbs. Let's underline them. Rahul clapped happily. So here adverb is happily. Means Rahul clapped, but he clapped happily. I drive carefully. Carefully is adverb here. Is an adverb. Okay. Anu reads well. The children ran excitedly. We were talking loudly in the class. The athlete ran fast. The boys sang merrily. The joker walked clumsily. So now read these sentences. Meena is playing there. The bird is flying above. So here you can see these words there and above. Jyoti is waiting downstairs. These words are telling where adverb, like where some work is going on, but where it is going on. So these types of adverbs are where adverbs. They tells us where the action have taken place. Underline the where adverb in these sentences. Mohan is playing outside. Mohan is playing outside. So where is Mohan is playing? Where Mohan is playing? Mohan is playing outside. Jyoti is standing there. Where is Jyoti standing? There. Vandana is waiting. Where Vandana is waiting? Upstairs. Upstairs. The book looked up. The boy looked up. So here up. The puppy stays here. The girl is inside. The airplane is flying above. I looked for him everywhere. We traveled far to look for him. We traveled far. He went out to play. He went out. So these
Excuse
are
me,
the where adverbs. Yes, Sarthak. What do you want to ask?
मैम हेल्पिंग वर्ब क्या होता है?
What are helping verbs? Helping verbs are is, am, are, have, was, were, which help us to complete the sentence. Understand? The words which are like is, am, are, was, were, has, have, had, these all words are called helping verbs. Now, right now we are studying about adverbs. Yes, Siksha. Have you completed this exercise so that we can move to the next exercise?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, move to the next exercise. Now read these sentences. Tarun is present in the class today. The birds are flying now. Manoj gets up early. So these words like today, now, early, they tells us about is present, are flying and gets up. They tells us when is Tarun present. When are birds flying? When does Mohan get up? So here these words are telling about when. Any work is going on, but when. So these types of words are when adverbs, when the action have taken place. So here we have to underline when adverb. A, we met him yesterday. So underline yesterday. When we met him yesterday. It is sunny today. Today. It rained yesterday. Yesterday. The baby is crying now. Now. Meena gets up early. So here early. Tia will return tonight. Tonight is an when adverb. The school is closed. Tomorrow is when adverb here.
Tomorrow.
Yes, they will come late. He will call soon. He woke up early. Understand? These are the words, adverbs, when adverbs. An adverb tells us more about a verb. It tells us how, where, or when an action takes place. So underline the how adverb in green. Here, this exercise you all have to do by yourself. Understand? This is for your homework. I hope you understood that you all have to do this exercise by yourself. Understand? Complete this exercise on your book. The mobile rang loudly. So you have to underline how adverb with green color, then adverb with blue color, where adverb with pink color. Move to the next one. Fill in the blank with how adverb from the box. Here we have to fill in the blanks with how adverb. Some words are already given here in the box. We have to fill it here. The baby cried. What is the answer?
Ma'am, loudly. Loudly.
Yes, it's loudly. The baby cried loudly. The soldier fought bravely.
Bravely.
The thief entered the house quietly.
Quickly.
Tia did her homework
Nearly.
neatly. The tortoise moved slowly.
Slowly.
Yes. The babies watched the card. The baby watched the cartoon happily.
Happily. Happily.
The hare ran fast. They watched the match eagerly.
Angrily.
He opened the envelope excitedly.
Excitedly.
Excitedly. And the last one is जो भी बचेगा वही है आंसर लास्ट का. What is the last answer? of the last?
Carefully. Ma'am, carefully.
Yes, the police checked the black bag carefully. Fill in the blanks with when adverb. The guests are waiting dash in the garden. What is the answer? The guests are waiting outside in the garden. Please come dash. What is the answer? Please come inside. Neha is on the first floor. Sonita has gone dash to call her. Upstairs. He looked for the dog. What is the answer? Everywhere. The teacher asked him to go dash of the class.
Up.
Out of the class. Look dash at sky. Look up at sky. They are waiting for dash. They are waiting for
Yes.
They are waiting for you downstairs. They came here. He lives very far. Jyoti stayed there. Now the last two exercises are left, which are when adverb, typing, and where adverb. Two exercises are here, when adverb and adverb, correct adverb, we have to correct it. And next chapter, preposition, we'll complete in our next class, students. So that's all for today's class. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay? Okay, students, that's all for today's class. We'll meet tomorrow. Good day.
Okay, ma'am. Good day, ma'am. Good day, ma'am.